How to fix Telegram saving media issues. If Telegram is not saving photos or videos, it's often due to settings or permissions. Start in Telegram settings, then go to data and storage. Here, make sure save to gallery or save incoming photos is enabled. Then go to your phone's app permissions and confirm Telegram has access to storage or photos. If that's turned off, Telegram won't be able to save anything. Also, check available storage space. If your device is full, media won't save even with all permissions granted. Manually tap and hold on any photo or video and select Save to Gallery to test if it works individually. Have you ever lost important media from Telegram? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.